roll over here.
We'll just roll with it.
Come on.
Hey, what's up? Phil and Will here with Photography and Friends, and we are putting together a new course on starting a photography business. And before we actually put together all the content, we kind of want to just reach out to you who are followers of us or may find this video and see what you want to learn. What would you want to learn in a course on how to start a photo business?
Yeah, we really want to tailor this course to you guys. So ask questions, let us know what you want to know, and we're going to actually incorporate those specific questions into our class so that the content is created for you and it's ready for you and it's worth it.
Yeah, and the goal with the class is really just to be a complete step-by-step guide. If you are brand new to photography and you want to start making money with your skills, or if you've been doing photography for a while, tried starting a business, and you just need a little bit more help. If you take this class, the goal is to go through step-by-step every single aspect of starting a business specific to photography. So post your questions below in the comments or wherever you're watching this video. What would you want to learn from this class? And we'll make sure that we cover it in the course.
Yep, it's a little less photo stuff and a little bit more business stuff.
Yeah, for sure. It's definitely that more it's not about how to take photos, it's about how to make money with your photo skills. Cool.
Rad.
We'll hopefully see you in the class and talk soon.
Later.